Hello, Evan Pinion back with another knife review. And I got two knives here. These are two more gas station knives. No clue what company made them. But the reason I'm doing both of them is because they probably are from the same company. I mean, just look at the striking similarities in the build and stuff. But I don't know. The handles are of some glass reinforced nylon, I take it. There's a single steel liner on each one for the liner lock. Tip down pocket clip. Nice lanyard holes. And for deployment, we got the one with the single thumb stud, and this one has a thumb disc. And deploying this one, you get a nice modified drop point, hollow ground, partially serrated, and it's also on the secondary bevel chisel ground, but very sharp. Came very sharp actually, and has a very nice point to it. And again, locks up with that liner lock. And then this one has the thumb disc and has a nice Tanto blade, Americanized Tanto blade. And it looks like flat ground, but on this side there's no actual grind. It's a chisel ground blade. But still, again, very sharp, actually even sharper than the drop point, but partially serrated too. And what's really nice about these knives is the jimping. Jimping actually works very, very well, especially on the Tanto blade. So that actually sits up higher, but very nice. And they lock up solidly. And they have rubberized inserts on them that are pretty nice. And they're both pretty ergonomic, actually. Not bad buys for gas station knives. Not at all. I especially like the drop point one, but the only complaint I have with this is it's a single thumb stud. It's a complete righty knife. And then again, I use my knives primarily in my right hand, but I like the option of having left hand. This one centers perfectly. This one, on the other hand, doesn't really, but I'm not sure it was meant to because of the fact that the one side has no grind at all. But it doesn't rub, as you can see, so very nice nevertheless. And there's a red backspacer on the Tanto one. Just a black one on this one. But, bless you. Sorry, that's my wife. She's in the room right now. She almost sneezed. No, she's not sick, but thank you for asking. Anyway, back to the most important thing about this video. Just kidding, I love you.
Me too.
Oh, okay. I was waiting for that. There was a pause. But, anyway. These are actually pretty good knives, I must say. For the price, actually good quality. And they came sharp. Very ergonomic. Great jimping. Good lockup. Definitely worth getting. And one thing to note about this one, the Tanto one, is on one side, maybe you could see it, on one side there's a bronze, maybe a copper washer, on the other side's a Teflon washer. It's quite interesting, but nevertheless, great knives in my opinion. So if you find these two, happen to go into a gas station and find these two, they just might be worth you picking up. But anyway, that's my review. Thanks for watching, and God bless.